Marketing Principles Standard 7. Acquire foundational knowledge of marketing information and research to understand the scope on business and marketing decisions. Marketing Principles Standard 8. Utilize pricing strategies to maximize return and meet customers' perception of value. 8.1. Explain the nature and scope of the pricing function. 8.4. Explain factors affecting pricing decisions. Marketing Principles Standard 9. Employ processes and techniques to develop, maintain, and improve a product/service mix to utilize market opportunities. 9.2. Examine how businesses determine products/services to produce and sell. Marketing Principles Standard 10. Employ processes and techniques to sell goods, services, and ideas. Marketing Principles Standard 11. Utilize promotional knowledge and skill for communicating information to achieve the desired marketing outcome.
Our goal throughout this project was to eliminate unhealthy snacks from the school store, the Vortex, and replace them with healthier, more nutritious snacks. After removing the unhealthy snacks from the Vortex, we began to order reduced fat and whole grain alternatives in an attempt to figure out which snacks students would find favorable.
We are preparing our generation to be more health conscious by eating healthier and exercising more.
These snacks do not follow the Smart Snack guidelines and are required to be removed from our school store.
Smart Snacks in Schools refers to national nutrition standards for food and beverages that compete with meals provided in the cafeteria.
Competitive foods and beverages sold during the school day must meet or exceed Smart Snacks and school nutrition standards. These standards limit fat, sugar, sodium, and calorie content.
Today we're going to talk about the school store, the Vortex, and how we can increase our profits and sales. Ever since we have switched to Smart Snack, our sales has decreased significantly, and we have been trying to find better alternatives. Increase attention and increase sales is reducing fat in our cookies and allowing many students to taste test and sample.
I'm going to be trying our new reduced fat cookies. It smells fun. Sugar cookie tastes fine to me. Tastes the same.
How's it taste?
That's really good.
Does it taste the same?
Yeah.
Can you tell there's a difference?
Yes.
Oh, what's the difference?
I don't know.
All right, is the cookie good? Would you buy it in the future?
Yes.
And can you taste the difference? What's the difference?
Tastes better.
We have tried buy one get one frees on items that don't sell well, and we have also tried many commercials that feature our store products to attract more customers so they are more aware of what we sell.
Do you want to eat healthier? Do you want to live longer? When you buy Smart Snacks from the Vortex, it minimizes unhealthy choices. Buy Smart Snacks from the Vortex and make your body your best friend again.
And we also needed to inventory our snacks to match the Smart Snacks listing and verify with the Smart Snacks notebook calculator that each snack actually meets the standards in school nutrition. And since we transitioned from Smart Snacks, traffic has gone down. At first, sales were about like 1/4 of what they used to be, but we're gradually adding healthier versions of our snacks, and student traffic has slowly been increasing to about like 1/3 of what they were when we sold unhealthy snacks.
What do you like least about the change?
That we have less options to choose from.
Okay. So how often do you go to the Vortex?
Like every day.
So recently we changed from unhealthy snacks to Smart Snacks. Was that something that you were happy about or not?
It's okay though. I don't really think negative or positive.
Do you like the new Smart Snacks?
Yeah.
What have you found that you like the most?
The cookies.
The cookies? Okay, so the cookies have changed, to reduce fat and to whole grain, but you think that they're still good?
After averaging August and September sales together, we then averaged October, November, and December sales. This allowed us to figure out percentage decrease in sales. The Vortex showed a significant 76% decrease in sales after we switched to Smart Snacks.
Overall, students prefer unhealthy snacks, but they will still purchase some healthy snacks. Students' favorite snacks seem to be those snacks that were very spicy, and cookies, even when healthier versions are their only options. Our top selling products have been Doritos Reduced Fat Flamas, Ready Baked Benefit Chocolate Chip, and Ready Baked Benefit Sugar Cookies. Customer satisfaction rate with these items are 100%, as sales for these 3 items have met or exceeded their unhealthy counterparts. Return on investment for Flamas equal 221%. Return on investment for cookies equal 397%.
We can sell smart snacks and make a profit on some items, but overall, students seem to prefer unhealthy snacks, resulting in lower sales at this time.
Moving forward, we need to find more snacks students will be interested in purchasing that also meet the smart snack guideline. We can also offer spiritware items to try and boost the overall sales of the Vortex.
Our hope is that the sales continue to increase to the levels that they were when we sold unhealthy snacks.